Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q and I want to show you how we can change language of this device. So the first we have to go under this LD indicator and you will find right here button and you have to click once. Go for the settings. Next, you have to scroll down for system option. It's right here. Go for the right side. Go for the right side another time. And here you get the list of all available languages. So you can just keep scrolling until you pick your native language, for example, but of course I'm gonna stay with the English. So if you pick your language, just go back. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.